Hello students, learning ABCD, English alphabet, how to write English alphabet. A, capital letter A. B, C, D. English alphabet ABCD. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple becomes a word. Apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. C-A-T. Cat. Now E. F. G. H. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fruit, G for grapes, H for horse. Thanks for watching. May subscribe to my